Welcome to valsquicktips&tricks YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमका येवकार म्हज्या cooking channelaचेर मानता तुमी सगळी पोरी असली साऊथ आणि भलायकेन. So today I'm going to show you all how to make Goan prawns pulao, that is prawns arroz. Okay, so आज हांव तुमका दाखयता आमचो गोंयचो सुंगटांचो पुलाव. Okay, आणि गोवन सुंगटांचो arroz. तर तेका लागून कितें जाय तें मातशें नोट करात. So what you need is, I've taken 2 cups of basmati rice. You can take any normal rice if you can't suit this basmati rice because sometimes the stomach bloats, so you can avoid basmati rice and you can add normal rice, jeera rice, whatever. But here I have used basmati rice 2 cups. Now 2 cups means this is my cups measurement, which is easily available on Amazon, and it is sufficient for 4 people. So 2 cups of rice, I have washed it, soaked it in water and kept aside. Then I need 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. This is 1/4 kg of king prawns, normal king prawns, not big, not small, but it is like medium size king prawns. Then we need curry leaves few, 1 green chili, 1 tomato finely chopped, and 1 onion medium. It was big size, medium size, so it is like 1 onion, 2 bay leaves. Then I'll be adding around 7 of peppercorns and 6 of cloves, 1 cardamom, green cardamom, and 1 is black cardamom, and 1 cinnamon stick. And this is like 3/4 of fresh green peas, and so that's it. Salt to taste. Turmeric powder I'll be adding 1 teaspoon, and coriander powder I will be using 2 teaspoon. Okay, so मानता तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी हे बरोवन घेतले. जे हांवें बासमती चे तांदूळ घेतल्या 2 कपां धुले आणि फुगत दवरल्या तांकां. मागीर हांवें हे 1/4 kg आमची मिडियम किंग प्रॉन्स घेतल्या. 1 कुलेर आमचे आले लसणाची पेस्ट, 1 हरी मिरची घेतल्या. मागीर ही आमचे 1 तामोट, 1 आमचो कांदो, हे 2 आमचे बे लीफ तिकेची पानां, आणि ही जावन आसा तिकी, 1 काळी पळय आमची इलायची, 1 ग्रीन टी, आणि मिरयां घेतल्या, आणि लवंग घेतल्या, आणि हे आमचे ग्रीन पीस जे फ्रेश तेका हांवें ते काडून. मागीर ते ग्रीन पिसाचे पळय ते मेवता न्हू पानां, तेका हांवें हें केलां. 1 मिनिट आं. मागीर हितून हांवें कितें केलां जाणा, हांवें हितून ते आमचे पळय ग्रीन पिसाचे पळय हें मेवता पानां, ती हांवें हें केलां, उकडली प्रेशर कुकरान. मागीर मिक्सरान घालून हांवें तेजे हें काडलो, ज्यूस काडलो, आणि हे हांवें शिजयलां. तर हे हांव यूज करतली आमच्या पुलाव. So these are green peas, the outer covering what you get, that one it is. Okay. So this is green peas skin broth, you can say. So added 2 tablespoon of oil. Let's add all our whole masalas. And curry leaves. Green chili, onions, and let this nicely fry. After that, we'll add our tomato. We'll add our ginger garlic paste, and let it fry. They take the aroma of the ginger garlic. I like, but some people they don't like. So fry it nicely with that rawness of the ginger garlic smell good. Okay. Now we'll add our tomato to this. And fry this till the tomatoes are soft. तर हे बरे भाशेन भाजून घ्या. ओके. आले लसूण गरम मसालो आमचो घातला पळय तो आनी आमचे कांदो तांबट हरी मिरची कढीपत्ता बरे भाजून घ्या. Now we'll add our prawns to this and fry this nicely for few minutes and add turmeric powder and coriander powder. So 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. And let this nicely. See, prawns cook very fast. So we'll just fry this till the masalas are nicely cooked. For 3 to 4 minutes, you can cook this way. And now we will add the green pea skin broth. So for 2 cups of rice, and when you are doing it open pan, then 4 cups of water, plain water, hot water, or the broth. So now we'll fry our rice in this first. So it gets all aroma for the rice also. Then we'll add our broth. So now broth is like, if the broth is less, sometimes you make broth and then the broth is less than the measurement, add plain water. So now this we'll add our broth. So here is the 1 cup. This, I've got 2 cups of broth or 2 cups of plain water I will add. So 2, 3, and 4. So 4 cups of water into this. Now green peas we will add later. So half I will add now and half later. Cover this and cook this till the pulao, the rice is cooked. So I have covered this. Medium flame. Let's check our salt because prawns also I had marinated with salt. Broth also I had added salt. So I will check. So we need little bit of salt. So I will be adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Pulao is ready. Here is our pulao ready. I'm so going so Arroz ready. आणि आता एका आम्ही दम हे बंद करून दवरया मागीर तो सुडसुडीत जातलो. ओके, सो अरोमा टेस्टी तांदूळ आमचे शिजले. आता एका होत कित्याक मातशें जे उदक दिसता तें पूण सगळें सुकोन वयतलें. कांय हालोवपाची गरज ना. आता एका आमी धांपून गॅस बंद करता. So I am putting off my gas and now I will just cover this and let it be for 10 minutes like this only. Okay. Now in this only I will add my remaining green peas on top. This are prawns arroz. Enjoy. Let's serve prawns arroz, which is nicely cooked, and enjoy. Hope you all will love and make this in any of your festivals. And I have fried some prawns, so I will also add this also on top, garnishing. And few green peas I will do garnishing, which are parboiled. Thank you so much. Yabare kuru.